So Namaste, Jai Gurudev, welcome you all. Now we will discuss about this pranayama. In this pranayama, what we are going to do is, how we are going to sit, either in Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana. And then we are going to place our palms on our thighs and they have to face the ceiling. And they should be open. You should not keep any mudras or anything. This is Mahamudra. Okay. So that you are going to place them on your thighs. And your shoulders are relaxed. You have to drop your, if they are going up, drop them down. And that is relaxed shoulders. And then your eyes are closed and your spine is straight. And a gentle smile. This is the requirement for any pranayama or even any practice of yoga, if you are doing it, okay? Yeah. So now, we will see, before starting anything, we will take a long deep breath in and we will breathe out. And again another long deep breath in and breathe out. These two breaths, before starting yogic practice, or even when we change from one to other, we will take this long deep breath in and breathe out. That we take 2 times, okay? So then we will start with Om chanting 3 times, okay? After these 2 long deep breaths in and out, we are going for Om chanting, okay? So take a deep breath in. While you are breathing out, you have to chant. Om. Another deep breath in. Om. Another deep breath in. Om. And relax. After few seconds, then we can go for the practice. And in this practice, we are going to learn for yogic breathing. Okay. So you are going to place your palm on your navel region, just a light touch. Okay. And then while you are breathing in, you will see the abdomen coming out. That is, it is bloating. It is placed on your navel region. Your hand is placed on your navel region. And while you are breathing in, you will see the abdomen bloating. Just like balloon, when filled with air, how it bloats? Just like that. And while you are breathing out, just like the balloon without air, when it is going out, what happens? It goes in. That is, you are pulling your navel inside. That is what is happening here. So breathe in, fill your abdomen and it will bloat out. And then breathe out. So now you can see the abdomen is going inside. She is breathing out. And then when she is breathing in, the abdomen is pushed forward. The hand is pushed forward. It means abdomen bloated. While breathing out, the hand is going inside. Can you notice that? So this is the movement that is here. And then relax. After 3 to 4 rounds, you can relax. All the time your eyes are closed, your spine is erect. Okay. Now we will go for, and again take a deep breath in and breathe out and go for your next thing. So place your hand on your chest and breathe in, and you can see the expansion of the chest. Breathe out, your chest is getting emptied. So breathe in, chest is expanding because the lungs are filled with air. When you are breathing out, the whole thing is empty. That is what it is. Breathe in, chest expanding. Breathe out, the chest is completely getting emptied. So this you are going to do again for 3 to 5 times. Okay? Just observe. Chest expanding and then coming down, totally emptying. Again breathe in, chest expanding. Breathe out. Now the chest is getting emptied. And then now you may relax. After breathing out, relax. Relax again in the same position as before. Okay. Now we will be working out at our shoulders regions. Okay, this is the upper lobe of the lungs. So that part we are working out now. This is the third one. So now you are breathing in and lifting your shoulders up and back. And while you are breathing out, your shoulders are dropping down. So breathe in, shoulders up and up. And then breathe out, the shoulders are coming down, isn't it? Again breathe in, you can see the shoulders moving up and out, a little out, isn't it? And while you're breathing out, the shoulders are dropped down. Clear? This also you're doing it for 3 to 5 times. Can you see that clear? No? After 5 rounds, you may relax. You can take like 3 to 5, okay? And then now, we will go to yogic breathing. So we know at every area how to move it. So yogic breathing is with one deep long breath, you are going to bloat your abdomen, expand your chest and pull your shoulders up and back. And while you are breathing out, you are dropping your shoulders down, you are emptying your chest and pulling your navel inside. That is what will be the next one. Okay. So breathe in. So you can see while breathing out, shoulders drop down, emptied the chest and then abdomen is pulled inside. Again breathe in, abdomen coming out, expanding the chest and your shoulders are going up and out. And while you are breathing out, shoulders came down, chest is emptied and your stomach, navel is pulled inside. Now again breathe in, stomach coming out. Can you observe that? Yeah, observe again. So our stomach is bloating out, chest is expanding, shoulders up and out. And while breathing out, shoulders drop down, chest is emptying and your navel is pulled inside. You can see the stomach going little in. Again coming out, expanding. Yeah. So this is yogic breathing. This also you have to do 3 to 5 times. Okay. And then once you are done, you may relax. So if you can't sit in Sukhasana or on the floor, you can choose to sit on a chair or bed or sofa, but that should not be very soft so that you are not going down. It should be a little hard one, okay? And also your back should be very straight. That is very important, okay? Yeah. So now this is yogic breathing and you can practice it on your own, okay?